Open the camera.
I am opening the camera in photo mode for you.
Move to video mode.
I am opening the camera in video mode for you.
What? You didn't open video mode. That's a bug.
I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it right now by opening the camera in video mode. I have successfully opened the camera in video mode now.
Nope. Anyways.
Okay.
Click and take the photo. Take the photo. Oh, this is Samsung. This is Samsung. Take the photo. Wait. Pop into it. Hold on.